replacing the idler, tensioner, the whole thing, and the AC compressor. The best way is to remove the alternator so you have more place to work around. From here you unscrew the bolts on the AC compressor, and there's two on the bottom. Over here you have one, this bolt, and there is one more, you can't see it. You have to use a mirror or by feeling. It's another 14 mil bolt that you need to remove. This one it's easier. If they don't come out or if they turn hard, hit this part so it will turn a little bit easier, or it will snap inside, so you have to replace the whole bracket. That's it. That's all what you have to remove. You can see the pipe, some brackets,